Alright, I'm going to show you how to do screen recording on your phone or the phone's webcam simultaneously, seamlessly, no lag or anything. So right here I have the phone cam and the iPhone capture. One is the phone's camera and one's the iPhone screen capture. So in here I have the image asset for phone. Could go and show you that right there. Turn off my webcam, and as you can see, it's my phone's camera, and you can easily stop it right there. You can do the back camera right there. So I can easily show anything I want pretty seamlessly as well. And then I could easily stop the video or go to the front camera very quickly. So I like that. You can also turn that off quickly. Let me go and show you this little folder here. So I have the phone's image and the collab cam. You just send a link to the phone. You don't have to download an app, and then you can quickly, anyone can join, basically anyone with the link. For one person to join, it's free. If you want more people, you have to pay a subscription. As you can see, you have one right here, and then if you click it, it brings you to the page for those prices listed. And you can change microphone settings and everything else like that. It's pretty simple. And yeah, I think it's really easy to actually do this. Very simple. I set it up in like 2 minutes. It was really quick, and it's less of a headache as well. It's not that much power consuming. Sorry for the lisp. I have my new liners in right now. So for screen capture, you're going to get this app here, Letsview. You might have to download it on online. Just search up Letsview, and you can download it on your phone as well. On the phone, you should be on the App Store. On the Letsview app, you do have the screen mirroring. You can access via the code or computer screen mirroring, so you could do that as well. Just enter a PIN code or whatever. They both have to be on the same Wi-Fi, obviously, so I have the same Wi-Fi. And then right now I'm using a Mac Mini M1, and it's very easy. Connect it, and then as you see, it's pretty seamless on here as well for screen capture. Now to bring it over from here to StreamLabs, it's pretty simple. Just got to make sure you have your capture there on top like that. Right now it's not popping up because I just added it, so I'm gonna have to close up the app and then open it again. So now we just refreshed. Here it is, phone cam. So as you can see, we have iPhone capture, and collab cam. There's a window capture, open source, should be right here. Let's view mirror right there. So you just click that and you're good. And I went to sources, window capture right there, and you add source, and then it should pop up. We have a window capture, and then you just got to resize it. Now you can crop it off the top. Just hold Alt, and then you can crop it like that. So you have that, and it's pretty seamless. You can easily do anything. The only thing you can't do is play audio or play a video. So I can't click on a video here and it'll play the video. It'll basically just be connecting the entire time. So you can't play videos on here. I'm not too sure if you could watch other streams. Let me check. So if I were, why is the baby there? Okay, you can watch other streams. I don't know if the audio will go through, but you can do that. Now, if you wanted to screen record and use your camera, basically copy the link that was sent to you. I have it right there. So I link copied. You put your name in right there. You can change the microphone. So if you have a different microphone plugged into your phone, you can do that. And then what camera you want to start on. And then you just press join. It'll connect. And then you can easily mute, stop video, or change the video front or back. As you can see, pretty seamless as well. And then you could just leave. And that's all through a link. So any desktop with a webcam, any phone, any laptop, anything with a camera and a microphone will connect. So it's really cool. You just have to allow, and then you're good. So it's very simple. That is StreamLabs quick instruction on how to screen record and use a webcam as a StreamLab OBS. To be able to add stuff from OBS, all you have to do is go to settings, go to general, and it says right here, OBS import, and you can import pretty much everything you want from OBS. So there we go. Now I have everything from my OBS, which is right here. I'll go and show you. So as you can see, Hyper, Webcam, Music, Fine 4K, and Yeti, they all imported with one button. And as you can see, I could just open up the Streamlabs again, and it's all right there. Now if you wanted to go back, you like undo it, just go click right here. Should be in your scenes. It just adds a new scene. It won't delete anything if you have stuff currently on OBS. So I have everything back to normal right here. So it's just a new scene. It doesn't delete anything. It's pretty simple. So StreamLabs definitely has more stuff than OBS. OBS original, it's really outdated. Yeah, that's how to set it up on StreamLabs. See you guys in the next one, and we out.